Hello, I'm Lilian Krug. I am POGO's Scientific Coordinator, and I would like to talk to you about POGO's capacity development activities. Two-thirds of the Earth's ocean is in the southern hemisphere. Nonetheless, this vast region is less observed and monitored than the ocean bases of the northern hemisphere. Opportunities to study this region are limited by difficult access and by the concentration of financial, scientific, and technological resources in the northern counterpart. In its earlier years, during the São Paulo meeting, POGO members issued a declaration drawing attention to the imbalance between northern and southern hemispheres in the capacity to observe the oceans and recommending immediate action to enhance such capacity, particularly in developing nations. Following the 2001 declaration, capacity development has been a central element of POGO agenda. POGO established its capacity development program. Our priorities, both individually and collectively, are to develop the worldwide key skills, capabilities, and capacities needed for ocean observations, as well as nurture new generations of scientists, technical experts, and leaders in ocean affairs. Over the years, POGO has developed an extensive array of training programs, targeted primarily at early career scientists from developing nations. This program is regarded with universal esteem. Our program receives very positive feedback from both those receiving and those providing the training, has had a demonstrable impact on individuals as well as in institutions, and is often used as an example of successful training in capacity development. The portfolio of training programs includes opportunities for scientists to receive training in world's leading oceanographic institutions, also providing bespoke and supporting existing training courses in developing countries, and opportunities for students to acquire skills necessary to conduct oceanographic campaigns. Each of these have their own merits. Training visits to leading oceanographic institutions provide a unique opportunity for young scientists from developing countries to be exposed to state-of-the-art research and observation facilities, and to network and collaborate with internationally renowned scientists. In partnership with the Scientific Committee on Oceanic Research, SCORE, POGO has developed a visiting fellowship program which supports young professionals to spend up to 3 months training in their specialty at a major oceanographic institution. This program has been very successful in providing training and has also helped to develop collaborations between institutes. To this date, more than 170 young scientists have been trained under this scheme. In collaboration with the Nippon Foundation, POGO established the NF POGO Center of Excellence in Observational Oceanography, COFI. Previously hosted by the Bermuda Institute of Ocean Sciences since 2013, the Center of Excellence is hosted by the Alfred Wegener Institute for Polar and Marine Research in the German islands of Helgoland and Sylt. There, 10 scientists are supported annually to study for 10 months in an intensive program related to ocean observations. Along these years, the Center of Excellence trained 130 early career researchers. POGO also recognized the importance of bringing expertise to developing countries. Initiatives include the NF POGO Center of Excellence Regional Training, which is organized as part of the Center of Excellence and is held in developing nations. So far, regional trainings have happened in Brazil, Vietnam, India, Philippines, Mexico, and Malaysia. The POGO visiting professorships ran between 2009 and 2014. There, one senior scientist annually visit a developing country to conduct training in ocean observations for a period of 2 weeks to 3 months. For regional initiatives, POGO also provides supports for regional participation in trainings. So far, this has included the Austral Summer Institute in Chile, the Masters in Applied Marine Science at the University of Cape Town in South Africa, training at the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services, and a Master in Physical Oceanography in Benin. Organizing such trainings can reach a higher number of trainees and can be better tailored to the working conditions and resources of the region. More than 600 trainees received POGO support to participate in such programs. Few opportunities exist for students to acquire the skills necessary to participate in oceanographic campaigns. Building on the infrastructure and expertise pool of its members and collaborators, POGO is focusing on providing such opportunities. POGO provides fellowships to trainees join major oceanographic expeditions such as the Atlantic Meridional Transect and the Porcupine Abyssal Plain, and with its annual open calls, matches applicants with fellowship opportunities as and when they come up. In both programs, POGO also can provide support to the trainees spend 1 month before and 1 month after the cruise at the host institutes, acquiring experience in cruise preparation and data analysis. At the Floating Summer School, a group of early career marine scientists spent 4 weeks on board the German icebreaker Polarstern as she traveled between South and North Atlantic, receiving intensive hands-on training supported by a suite of background lectures, exercises, and presentations. POGO has a dedicated web portal for shipboard training, the Ocean Training Partnership, where calls are posted, students can apply online, and partners and collaborators can learn about housing fellows. POGO Observational Training Program is making a significant contribution reducing the deficit in trained ocean observers in developing countries. Almost 1,000 young scientists from 89 countries have received advanced training through POGO initiatives, while the oversubscription for POGO training calls provides ample proof that the effort is responding to a genuine need. POGO follows the progress of its trainees closely after the training has been completed, evaluating medium to long-term impacts of the training. With the NF-POGO Alumni Network for Oceans, NANO, POGO provides further opportunities for networking and collaboration, maximizing the benefits from the training received. POGO alumni often are able to secure PhD or postdoctoral scholarships, home or abroad, later on securing high-level positions once they return home. Alumni frequently pass their knowledge to colleagues and students and initiate collaborations between institutes, setting up joint projects and publications. We invite members, partners, and collaborators to join our training initiatives and host fellowships or trainings on board their research vessels. If you're an early career ocean scientist, become a POGO trainee. Apply to different modalities of our training and improve your skills and knowledge. We share the current calls in our website and in social media. If you're an NF POGO alumnus, become a NANO member. Keep in touch with your colleagues and trainers and promote your publications or join our research and outreach activities. For more information, visit the NF POGO alumni website. Thank you for listening, and please contact us if you have any questions.